Okay, so while I'm here, I might as well have a look to see if I can do that light again. Been a while, I don't know how long, probably 7 years since I last looked at it, when I put this custom dash in. And I know the wiring behind there is not the prettiest, so I'm kind of dreading going there. So obviously side panel off, vent out, so I get behind there, packing in there. There is a proper video on removing the cluster if you want to have a look for that. So I'm gonna get this cluster out and see if I can do something about this light. Actually, I did a pretty good job behind here. I thought I'd poked wires in every direction, but no, that's all on plugs and everything. It's all done right. I'm happy about that, and I can get to this light down the bottom here. It's not like what I thought. See, when you try to look back so many years, you don't tend to remember everything, but the light I need to replace is this one here. You can see that without everything in the way. You can get the right angle on. There you go. This one over here is the one that's out or not contacting properly. Right, so I went down to my local and they only had these LED T4s, so the lights that you want are T4s or T4.2, and the LED. So I'm not a big fan of LED because I know that they're directional. Like these type of lights will just shine directly forwards and it won't look good in the cluster. So what I've done is, so you can see that, I've just put some hot glue on them, so that's going to stop the light shining straight forward and hopefully just become a bright light inside the cluster. See that one too. I know they're not the prettiest dabs of hot glue, but that'll do the job, and I'll put them in and we'll have a look what they look like. So there you go, that's what it looks like now that's in. You can see where it's more brighter. That's the LED shining forward, but you know, it's all right. I'll live with it. And the reason why I don't like LED is not so much that they shine in a direction or so forth, is that when they become old and faulty, they flicker, and the flickering is what annoys me, so I try to avoid LEDs. Maybe later on I'll try and track down some halogen globe ones on eBay or something, but they'll do for now. And it's only a 5-minute job really. I should have done it earlier. I just, you know, knowing that the wiring behind it, I did this custom job on it, I thought the job I did was worse than this, but it turns out that I did a pretty good job, so I'm not so scared to pull the dash forward again next time. Anyway, that's about it, eh? So that's everything lit up. Looks all right. Till next time, guys. Cheers.